Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. And today we're going to make a delicious and healthy veggie omelet recipe with tips on how to make the perfect omelet. Feel free to use your favorite vegetables from your garden. We are in the garden collecting Napa cabbage. So I pretty much have been harvesting off my cabbage since the fall. Yes, if you've been watching my videos, you see that I have been gardening every day of the year. One of my favorite things to always have in my garden is Napa cabbage. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, Napa cabbage can help you lose weight and reduce cholesterol. I have been harvesting. It grows back. You just pick the leaf, and this is pretty much the tail end. As you can see, it's starting to bolt. We've been getting finally some beautiful spring weather. So come on with me. I'm headed towards the kitchen, and look who decided to make a guest appearance. Yum, this looks and tastes delicious. Growing your own organic vegetables in your own garden is so much easier than you think. You'll save hundreds of dollars on groceries. Plus, it's so rewarding to taste the food that you nurtured and you grow and cook yourself. If you've been thinking about growing your own garden, why not? Now's the perfect time. Growing your own food in your own garden, and you can get all your family involved. Kids love to garden. Soon, your family will be eating and growing food. Subscribe and follow me as we grow, harvest, and cook our own food. This was so much fun. Thank you so much for joining me in the garden, in the kitchen. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next garden video. Blessings.